How to find pregnancy at home. Immediately the next day after you miss your periods, you can do this car test and confirm your pregnancy. This car test will be positive if there is beta-HCG hormone in the blood, and if the line appears in control and test, it means pregnancy has happened. So, after waiting for 2 minutes, a line has appeared in control. It means that pregnancy has not happened. So once it is like you're negative, or you have pregnancy symptoms and the car test is negative, or you're having a faint line in test, then you have to go to a gynecologist. So today we are going to discuss how to find pregnancy at home. This is Dr. Reshma Shree, fertility and laparoscopic super specialist. So urine card test will be available in all pharmacies. This card test will be positive if there is beta-HCG hormone in the blood. Immediately the next day after you miss your periods, you can do this card test and confirm your pregnancy. So this card test can be used only one time. It is not a reusable test. So this is the card test kit. It is easy to open. So this is card test kit. So when you use this kit, first you have to confirm the expiry date, and there will be an explanation in the back side for how to use the kit. So this is the cassette. This is the well. Here we are going to use a dropper, and we are going to put 2 to 3 drops of urine inside the well, and this is control and test line. So here the lines are going to appear based on the line appearance. So we are going to say whether the woman has conceived that month. So you have to collect urine in a clean container. So I've put 2 drops inside the well. So let's wait for next 2 to 5 minutes for the lines to appear. So after waiting for 2 minutes, a line has appeared in control. It means that pregnancy has not happened, and if the line appears in control and test, it means pregnancy has happened. Suppose line occurs only in T, that is test, it means the kit is invalid. You have to use a new kit. Suppose there is no line in C and T, it is also an invalid test. You have to repeat the test again with a new kit. Suppose there is a line in C and there is a faint line in T, it means that it is false positive, or you might be pregnant and it is not seen in the card test. So what you should do? So once it is like you're negative, or you have pregnancy symptoms and the card test is negative, or you're having a faint line in test, then you have to go to a gynecologist. You have to discuss about your cycle length, and you have to also discuss about your pregnancy symptoms, and you have to do a beta-HCG blood test, and if required you can also do a scan and confirm your pregnancy. So this card test is only a screen test. It is not a confirmation test. So for confirmation of pregnancy, you have to do a beta-HCG blood test and confirm your pregnancy. I hope this video was useful. Please like, comment and subscribe the channel. So we will be replying to your comments directly. Thank you.